Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this floating text effect with CapCut.
Fly back there and tell them the real Dragon Warrior is coming home. There will always be someone to stop you. The panda?
So make sure you stick around till the end of the video. Open CapCut and create a new project with your main video. So this is the video clip we are going to use. Extract audio from the video. Add a black background and place the audio below the black background. Delete the main video. Align the audio and the black background together. Go to text, select auto captions, use this template which is free. Click generate. Review the captions and make changes to correct the words. Move the text to the middle and increase the size. Export the video. Import the video we just saved into a new project. Go to motion blur, set blur to 90. Blend 25. 6 times and apply the motion blur. See how it looks. Export the video. Import your main video into a new project. Overlay the black background we just saved. Go to Splice and select lighting. Move the text to your desired position. Go to Video Effects, select Edge Glow. Set the glow to 25. Tap Object, select Overlay. Export the video. So here's the final result.
Fly back there and tell them the real Dragon Warrior is coming home. There will always be someone to stop you. The panda?